This tutorial will give you an overview of your recruitment partner dashboard. On the left side, you're going to see the Access tab that shows you the most commonly used icons. In the middle is going to be a total of your applications, the commissions that you have lined up, and the top schools that you've been looking at. On the right side, we also have your electronic wallet. Here is where we will be paying you your commissions. Also, you can use this balance to pay for future applications. The potential revenue is right below that, and this is going to show you how much money you are potentially able to earn based on the students that you have in the system.